let us discuss few activities, your textbook page number 150. Okay, here some activities are related to division. Okay, now let us practice that problems. Read the first question. 528 kids stand in 8 lines. How many are each line? What if they stand in 6 lines? Here, how many children are there? Total 528 kids are there. Okay, 528 kids are there. They stand in 8 lines. How many lines are there? 8 lines. In one line, how many children are there? That we want to find. If children are standing 6 lines, how many children are there in one line? Okay, so first divide that 528 by 8. Later divide 528 by 6. Then we got the answer, number of children in each line. Okay, now let's find the answer. Here total number of students, that is 528. First they are standing in 8 lines. Then number of children in one line. That was the first question. So how do we find? Yes, division. Divide this 528 by 8. Okay, children, here 528, that is dividend. 8, that is divisor. Okay, children. Now let us divide the numbers. Here 528 divide by 8. Then 528, that is known as dividend, and 8, that is divisor. Here first compare the number 8 and 5. When we compare this 8 and 5 is the small number, 8 is the big number. So we can't divide that. So what we will do? Take next number, that is 2. Then 52. Then compare 8 and 52. When we have to take the table of 8. In the table of 8 there is no 52, 51, 50, 49. Then 48 is there. How many times? 6 times 48. So let us write that 6 here. 6 8s are 48. Then subtraction, 52 minus 48. What is the answer? That is 4. Here 0. Then 4 is the small number than 8. So bring down this 8. Then 48. In the table of 48, how many times 48? 6 times. 6 8s are 48. So what we will do? Yes, write the 6 here. Then 6 8s are 48. Then subtraction. Now, here we got the answer 66. So, one line, how many children are there? Yes, 66 children are there. So, let us write 66. When we multiply the 66 and 8, we will get the answer 528. Okay, then next, if they are standing in 6 lines, what will be the answer? Same way, let us divide these numbers. Okay, so here, let us divide here. 528 divided by 6, because there are 6 lines. So take the number 6 and 5. 5 is small number, so let us take 52. Then how many times 52? The table of 6. Children, we all know 6 8s are 48. Okay, 6 8s are 48. So what we will do? Here write 8. 8 6 are 48. Next subtraction. Here bring down same way 48. Then how many times? Yes, 8 6 are 48. So what is the answer? 88. Then if they are standing in 6 lines, what will be the answer? How many children are there? Yes, one line 88 children. Okay. Now, let us discuss the next question. Here, next question, 126 children are doing an exam in 7 rooms. The number of children in the each room. How many in each room? Children, there are 126 children are writing exam. They are doing an exam. Okay. So, exam in how many rooms? Yes, 7 rooms. So, here 126 children are there. In each room, how many children are there? That is the question. How many rooms are there? Yes, there are 7 rooms. How many children are there? 126 children are there. Okay. Then each room, how many children are there? So, in each class, equal children. Their children are divided equally among 7 classes. 126 children are equally divided among 7 classes. So, one class, how many children? That was the question. Okay. Here, total students, that is 126. Then total classes. How many classes are there? Yes, there are 7 classes. So, number of children in one class. One class, how many children are there? Let us divide that 126 by 7. Equal in each class, in all the classes equally. They are divided among equally. So, the same number in each classes. So, let us divide this 126 by 7. 126 divided 7, that is divisor. So, let us compare the number 7 and 1. 1 is a small number, so let us take it 12. The table of 12, 1 times 7, 7. 2 times 7, that is 40. So, what we will do? Take 1 times. 1 into 7, 7. Then, subtraction. 5, when we compare these two numbers, 5 is the small number. So, bring down 6, 56. The table of 7, how many times 56 are there? Yes, 8 times. So, let us write 8 here. Then multiplication, 8 into 7, that is 56. Then, what was the next step? Subtraction, 56 minus 56, that is 0. So, what is the answer? Yes, 18 is the answer. One class, there are 18 students. One class, how many students are there? 18 students are there. Total 126 students equally divided among 7 classes. One class, there are 18 students. Okay, now let us write these answers. Let us write these activities in our notebook. Okay.